Hello, this is Chasing Different Adventures, and 2 days after the scare, the close call. So that's you know, bird dropping stuff. That's just water drops. Nothing happened to her. More road debris, tar, or dust. Needs a wash. It'll get it. It'll get it tomorrow after work. There's construction going on. There has been for 10 months. So I did top off the fuel. It's 2008 in the background, Mustang, I think 2005 maybe. Just wanted to show you with the sunset. She's okay. Quick shout out to DashCam Lessons. It's another YouTube channel that displays stuff like this, you know, close calls or even accidents. I just subscribed to them, but they reached out to me to find out if he was able, if I would allow him to use my footage in his channel, and I told him sure. He commented, and so this is just I'm gonna upload the same video as before with this, just so that everyone knows that the car is okay. Nothing happened to it, and my 2022 Roush is how she should be. That's it. Again, that's DashCam Lessons. It's another YouTube channel, and this is just a re-upload, so you know, no one in my family would be worried about it. All of a sudden, text messages or stuff like that got quiet. It's hilarious. Only because they think that it was like a road rage situation, and it wasn't. You know, you saw the video. I was driving the speed limit the whole time. The other driver was behind me for like honestly good 10 miles. And then it just decided to get in front of me, and then hit the brakes, check brake me, and then try to cut me off, literally, through three lanes in the freeway. I don't even know or actually remember what part of the freeway it was. I wasn't paying attention. It's just glad that nothing happened. Thank you for all the comments, your reviews. I don't get monetized. Chasing Different Adventures does not get monetized, or I am not sponsored. I don't earn money to upload. It's just for me, it's a hobby, and I find that if once your hobby you start to get paid to do something, it's not a hobby anymore. It's a job, and you know, it's like and then it's kind of like, I hate to say it, but you become a slave to the algorithm. And now, and you kind of have to keep uploading and uploading, even when you can't. I've been busy. I have a new job, and I did say 10 months ago, this construction's been going on for 10 months. That's because I was told that. Okay, have a great day. Bye. Chasing Different Adventures. See you. Well, I guess I could show you a little of the interior. And then
E3 tax relief advocates. They were awarded the Better Business Bureau.
Oops. Yeah. Yeah, I like that song. And I actually like it that if it would rain. But okay, that's it. the end of the video. Have a nice day.